Now we'll be seeing this for a van. This is the VW Crafter, the CR35 in the Trendline specification with the metallic pink in the Indium Grey. This one's got 800 miles on to 23 registration. It's like brand new and it's VAT qualified, so it's a price plus VAT, but it's a medium wheelbase Crafter with a high top on it, and it's brand new. Physically, you can't get one, and this one's here. It's available. If you want a good sized van for your business use, if you want to convert it into a day van, whatever it might be, it's perfect. So you have 3 seats in the front, 6-speed manual gearbox, obviously 2 keys with it being brand new, and it's done 800 miles. It's literally brand new. 140 brake horsepower, 2-litre diesel engine, Apple CarPlay on there as well. There's air conditioning down here. There's USCs, 12-volt sockets, central locking button, hazard warning lights, multi-function steering wheel with the cruise control, stereo controls on there as well. You're sat really nice and high up. It's just a cracking truck. I mean, not everyone needs a van this big, but if you're on the market for a medium wheelbase van, then it doesn't get much better. Already ply-lined inside, but look at the space. That is huge, like on another level. So if I get in, with it being a high top, you can fully stand up in it. And if you're carrying plywood with you, I mean, whatever it might be you're doing, you can open the doors forwards and the back ones from the inside. The sliding door is a big area as well, so can you imagine how much you can store in here? And like I said, being that high top really makes a difference. And at the minute, day vans are a massive thing, so trying to get something as new as this, under manufacturer's warranty with no miles on, in a beautiful exterior colour, and the Trendline has a better finish to start off with. But for me, it's the load space, it's huge. Obviously you have to grab handles to get in and out, the steps as well. But it's a good looking van. There isn't a great deal to talk about because it is a brand new van. Normally if I was selling you a used one with 20,000 miles on, I'd be telling you how it's been looked after, how it's been driven. But this one, it's all about the size, the fact that it's a 23 registration, it's got 800 miles on, and it's VAT qualifying as well. Best part is it's physical, it's here. And if you're sick of waiting for a new van to turn up, you want one now, give me a call. My name and number's on the screen. I'll be more than happy to help you, but it's available. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.